Hi, my name is James Adrian Adams. I'm a licensed structural engineer and developer of the web-based program called Solar Roof Check, the RLA, a rigorous load analysis. In this video, I want to demonstrate how to input information for company administrators. First of all, of course, you have to register. This is simply filling out the form here, company name, address, city, state, company phone number, and then, of course, who the company administrator is, the name, contact, email, and phone, and then you go ahead and submit. Once you've done that, you will receive from us the login ID for you, the company administrator, and your password. Let's go ahead and assume that your name is Ted, and let's assume that the password you received from us is 1234, and you go ahead and log in. Now the first thing you'll see is the welcome page, which just says that this is the entryway to your company account. From this page, as the company administrator, you can set up new company users here. Let's go ahead and set one up. Let's say we have a new employee. His name is John Stephen. Go ahead and put his name in, and then we'll go ahead and set up a password for him. Let's say it's J. Stephen. This is up to you, whatever password you want to use. Login ID you want, and then the password. Let's put in. I'm just putting in a password here like that, and then his email address. I'll use ours just for showing you how this program works, and the phone number. The phone number is 3 digits, and then the hyphen, another 3 digits, and another hyphen. Then you go ahead and add, and that's the easiest way to go ahead and do this. You can see here the previous database operation failed because we already have a John Stephen in there, so that's good. That we already have that employee. Let's go see what happened here. You can go back to My Home and look at the current company users, and you can see here, oh yes, we already have John Stephen logged in. So let's add in another one just to show you an example. Let's add Barbara. Barbara Boston. And let's say that her login ID we're going to put in as, let's make it BB for Barbara Boston. Password, up to you. And we're going to go ahead and put in her email address and phone number. And we're going to add. That's the way you add. Here you can see the new user, Barbara Boston. You can see here some other options too. For example, let's say John Stephen, we want to edit him because he left the company for some reason. We can go ahead and click inactive for John Stephen because he has left the company, and we go ahead and update. Now, you'll see a pop-up box that says input error. You must check at least one box to update. We didn't do that, so let's go ahead and make that change. We want to update his permission status to inactive. We go ahead and update, and here you will see now we have John Stephen as inactive. That's basically how you add users and delete users, or you can update some specific information on them. For example, if they forgot their password, you can go ahead and enter into it another password. Let's change the password like that. Confirm. Remember to check the box there. Update. And now Barbara Boston will have a new password. To the left, you'll see a menu. This brings you back, of course, to set up new users. We've gone through that. Check the current users. Also, you can see here the company profile, My Profile. You see here the name of the company, the address. You can go ahead and edit any information here. Let's say you change the address. Now you've moved down the street. You're at 604 Meadow Lane. Let's go ahead and change that then. Update. There you go. The other thing you can do is look at your company jobs. Here's a list of jobs that your company has done. These are of course just samples, but let's say we want to look further into that particular job. We just click it, and you can see here the compliance test results. This particular job passed, no problem. And you can see who the input was done by, what the date is. Here's all the information. You can also view the assessment report and print it out if you feel that you need to do that. Other things we can look at: my profile, company jobs. It's basically as simple as that. So I appreciate your listening and watching this video. Thank you very much.